Without chips or single-chip microcomputer, only using 3 transistors, you can make a touch doorbell alarm circuit. This is a BC547 NPN transistor.IT serves as touch sensing. The emitter will be connected to the metal touchpad. The weak signal of human touch can make it instantly conduct. It is the trigger of the whole system. Next is the LED as a visual output. IT will light up immediately when the doorbell is triggered. This 1000 ohm resistor is connected in series with the touchpad between the touchpad and the base of the first transistor. It limits current to protect the transistor from static electricity and high voltage, while ensuring touch sensitivity. This is the voice of the doorbell buzzer. PMP-type transistor BC557 acts as a power driver. Its emitter is connected to the power supply. When the positive pole is pulled down, it will turn on. It sends large current to the buzzer and LED. This 1000 ohm resistor, it connects the emitter of the first BC547 and the positive electrode of the second BC547, is responsible for transmitting the trigger signal. When the first stage is turned on, the potential of the electrode, which quickly pulls down the positive electrode of the second stage to achieve cascaded amplification. The 470 ohm resistor is the LED's current limiter, limiting the current to about 10 milliamperes, preventing the LED from burning out and ensure the brightness. This is the second BC547 and also an NPN transistor. It is responsible for delay storage. Its positive electrode is connected to the capacitor and controls the N transistor behind. Its conduction time is determined by the discharge time of the capacitor. It won't turn off immediately after the finger leaves, but remains conducting for a period of time. This 100 microfarad electrolytic capacitor is the soul of the entire delay function. It is connected across the positive of the second BC547 and ground. When the finger touches, the capacitor is instantly charged. After the finger leaves, the capacitor discharges slowly through the resistor to keep the second transistor conducting. A 2200 ohm resistor is connected between the collector of the second BC547 and the emitter of the N transistor. It acts as a current limiting driver to avoid excessive current shock to the N transistor and ensures the reliable saturation of the N transistor. Another 100,000 ohm resistor is connected between the emitter of PMP transistor as an up-pull resistor. It usually pulls the positive electrode high, keeping the N transistor off. Only when the previous stage pulls the emitter low, the N transistor conducts, effectively preventing false triggering. The last 10,000 ohm resistor connects the emitter of the second BC547 to the positive power supply as the collector electrode load resistor. When the second pole is turned off, the electrode is pulled up, and when it is on, it becomes low, thus controlling the N transistor. IT determines the output of the stored pole. Now install the touchpad. Any small metal sheet will do, and solder it to the other end of a 1000 ohm resistor and connect it to the positive pole of the first BC547. When fingers touch it, the weak signal of human body induction is injected into the positive electrode through 1000 ohms, which starts the whole chain. Finally, connect it to a 9-volt square battery. Note that the capacitor has polarity, and make sure all the pins of transistors are correct. After power on, the circuit is in standby mode. It consumes almost no power. Now touch the metal plate with your finger. LED lights up and the buzzer sounds. Release your finger. The doorbell is still ringing. 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds. IT will automatically stop after about 5 seconds. Touch it again. IT rings again. Perfect.